Welcome to this video where we'll discuss the importance of having fire insurance and choosing the right coverage for your home. Your home is not only your sanctuary but also a significant investment, which is why it's crucial to have fire insurance. However, choosing the right coverage can be a challenging and stressful process. One of the most critical factors to consider when selecting fire insurance is the replacement value. This is the cost required to rebuild your home and replace all your belongings in case of a fire. Many people confuse market value with replacement value. Market value is the price someone is willing to pay for your property, whereas replacement value is the cost to rebuild it. To determine your replacement value, you must take an inventory of everything you own, including furniture, electronics, and clothing. Once you know your replacement value, you can choose fire insurance coverage that provides adequate protection in the event of a fire. It's crucial not to make the mistake of underinsuring your home and belongings. Imagine the peace of mind you'll have knowing that your home and belongings are fully covered in case of a fire. Don't wait until it's too late. Choose the right fire insurance coverage today and protect your home. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this information helpful.